Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my page, and this is me again, Josephine from UAE. Our challenge is to going live 2 for 2 or 2 minutes for 2 weeks. And then we will answer a few frequently asked questions so that you can understand our business is.
What is digital business?
Digital business refers to the use of digital technologies and resources to drive day-to-day business operations. This digital business includes e-commerce stores and social media platforms to advertise their products and services, or they can be traditional businesses that have adopted digital tools and technologies. In the recent years, there has been a shift towards digital businesses as more and more consumers are turning to the internet. This trend will only continue as internet becomes more accessible and user-friendly.
Can I have more information?
Yes, of course, you can get more information regarding this business. After you signed up and then watch our complimentary videos, you can get more information and then you will see other people's success stories over there.
What are you selling?
We're not selling anything. This business is not a sales job. And then our part is to do a marketing business only. Then this business also is promoting and having a freedom lifestyle.
Do I need to recruit people?
No, we are not recruiting people in our business. We don't chase family and friends. Instead, we focus on marketing by creating content for our social media platforms to connect with people. Our goal is to inspire and attract them by showcasing how our automated system is truly flexible.
Is there capital needed to start this business?
Yes, of course. Once you get started to the legitimate business, it's either small or big business. You need to get to invest for that. So marami pa. Unlike on this digital business or online business, it's just only requires a minimal amount. And then pero syempre, ingat-ingat din po tayo kasi marami din pong fake na online business. Pero itong business namin, it's very legit. Legit. Kasi when I started in this, hiningan ako ng ID, lalo na nandito ako sa UAE, sobrang strict po dito ngayon. So, hiningan ako ng ID and then there's a contract also in our business. So, masasabi kong napaka-affordable at napaka-legit nitong business ko.
What if I don't have money to start this business?
Well, honestly, lahat naman po ng nag-start sa business is wala din silang pang-start for their business. Kaya nga po din dito sa sa business na to, once you signed up, meron po kayong free webinar to watch, to learn, and then to understand what is our business is. As yung capital naman po namin is very is refundable naman siya for 30 days. Once hindi talaga para sa inyo to, pwede nyo naman yun ma-refund.
How do you earn from the business?
Actually, we are focusing on online marketing and to help other people to set up their own online business. Once they registered here in our community, and then they will give step-by-step training provided. Then they will build their website, business page, and run their ads on social media. Our international company will give us a good compensation and a huge commission return from our hard work here in our digital business.
How much are you earning?
Well, it depends on how much your time, effort, and dedication to do your marketing or your online business. Because this is focusing on marketing, and then we have different types of strategies on how you manage our online business. So good thing that our automated system are allowing us to work anytime, anywhere.
Can you guarantee that I will make money here?
Well, I can say yes or a no. That I guarantee you in this business, because we have a different type of what we are pursuing to do in our online business. Once you are here in this business, you need to have 100% mindset that you are putting your time, effort, and dedication to run your online business. We have a proven automated system, and then they will provide you as training, and which is you have to follow step by step. And if you have a consistency and you treat this as your work, you can get your rewards for doing your hard work for your business.
How fast can I see results?
It really depends on you, on how you invest the time and effort to manage and handle your own business.
Can I still stay employed while I do this business?
Yes, you can stay employed, because some of our business owners and entrepreneurs here are still employed like me. So if you want to have a side hustle or extra income source while you are working, you can do it. But I advise that you can do this when you are free or your day off to avoid some problem. So as long as your work is done, you can do this business. It's only a time management on how you handle and manage your business.
I don't have Facebook. Can it still work for me?
Yes, of course. If you have an account in other social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, you can do this our business. Our online business is an attraction marketing that can leverage the advertising in social media. And then good thing that our automated system is very flexible, that you can do your business whatever and whenever you are. And then you must have also Facebook account, because the Facebook account is very in demand, and then you can gain more followers and you can promote your business better. And also in this business, you have to make a business page on Facebook account.
What is the company name?
It's under my name, Pen Ganancial, and I am the face behind of Pen's Diary here in my business page. I am the owner and the CEO of this page and this business, and then I am the business entrepreneur now. So once you get started here in our business, we will teach you on how to brand your business name, and you will choose also your business, so that you have to follow step-by-step procedure on how you will run your business. And then also, we are affiliated with international company that running 50 years already in this online business. And then they have thousands of people to be successful in their business, online business. Same as they will give us a compensation plan, anything that you are running in this business.
Why can't you just tell me what it's all about?
Well, guys, we suggest you to watch the 90 minutes pre-webinar in my website. Once you sign up and register your name and email to my website, I've been in your shoes before. Ganyan din ako, nagtanong kung ano yung mga dapat tanungin sa business, kasi I've been na-scam na rin po ako before, kaya nag-iingat lang ako. So when I try this, I follow the procedure, I follow the step-by-step training here. Truly inspired talaga. So if you feel this business is fits for you guys, watch our pre-webinar there, so you will learn more things about our business. So if you feel your business, this business will help you, and then and then you will change your lifestyle also. You can sign up your name and email to my website to www.penfinancial.com and see you in the inside, guys. Hoping to see you there. So that's all, guys. This is the final Go Live challenge for the month of July, and see you again on our next Go Live challenge for the month of August. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.